Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Dunstan in for Rick Fobaum. Well, tonight, constant updates coming into the CBS 46 newsroom. So let's get right to the latest numbers. Sean?
Let's get to them right now. I've been looking at the numbers, and the Georgia Department of Health just put out these new numbers today. Across the state, there are 800 confirmed cases and the number of deaths 26. Fulton County has the most cases at 152. Cobb, DeKalb, Dougherty, and Bartow counties round out the top 5. In the meantime, the United States has more than 41,000 confirmed coronavirus cases with at least 470 deaths. New York State continues to have the most confirmed cases with almost 21,000. That's more than the entire country of France and almost as many as Iran. Mike?
Pretty incredible, Sean. And new tonight, the governor ordering some Georgians to shelter in place. Right now, CBS 46's Trayson Bragg live at the Gold Dome. So, Trayson, what's the bottom line?
Well, Mike, the big takeaway from the press conference that was held here inside the Capitol is that Georgia has taken action in the form of 2 executive orders, all in hopes of defeating COVID-19.
I am calling on my fellow citizens to fight this virus with everything you got.
Monday, Governor Brian Kemp announced an executive order mandating a shelter-in-place order for those in long-term care facilities, have chronic lung disease, are undergoing a cancer treatment, are COVID-19 positive or suspected to have COVID-19. The executive order also banned gatherings of 10 or more people and closed all bars and nightclubs in the state.
The Department of Public Health will be empowered to close any business or establishment, nonprofit or organization for non-compliance.
The order goes into place noon Tuesday and ends Monday, April 6th. In a second executive order, the governor announced medical professionals whose licenses became inactive or lapsed in the last 5 years will be allowed to practice. Graduate nurses who have not yet taken their nursing exam will also be able to apply for a temporary license. The governor says that second executive order is in hopes of getting enough medical professionals on the front line here in Georgia to battle COVID-19. Reporting live from the Capitol, I'm Trayson Bragg, CBS 46 News.
All right, Trayson, thank you. Tonight, a major metro Atlanta county also taking action to keep the virus from spreading. DeKalb County putting out an executive order for a voluntary curfew. It's from 9 o'clock at night until 6 o'clock in the morning every day, with exceptions for some essential services. The order also bans gatherings of 10 or more people, and it also means all county playgrounds are closed. In Fulton County, all parks in Sandy Springs are closed. It's an effort to stop the spread of coronavirus. It's the first city here in Metro Atlanta to shut down parks completely. Other cities are allowing residents to enjoy parks, but leaders say you should still practice social distancing while outside, staying at least 6 feet away from others.
Well, we got another very rainy start to the week. Live look at our CBS 46 pinpoint radar shows the rain is still falling. I do have the lightning tracker on. We are not seeing any strong storms in the area. That's the good news. But these thunderstorms are going to continue on and off overnight. We could also see some patchy fog develop. So if you are going to be out and about early around sunrise, 8 to 10 a.m., you might be seeing some areas of dense fog. In the morning and really through the early afternoon, we're going to see a round of strong storms move through. There's actually going to be 2 rounds of potentially strong storms tomorrow. One will be in the late morning, early afternoon, and the other one will be later at night. So whereas today it rained all day, but we didn't see any storms, we're going to see breaks in the rain tomorrow, but the chance for stronger to severe weather. And that main threat will be in northwest Georgia. So coming up, I'm going to pinpoint the timing and the risks for strong storms where you live. Stay tuned.
Right now, a 12-year-old girl who has the coronavirus fighting for her life in Atlanta. Within the past hour, we spoke to the girl's uncle. She is in stable condition from what we've been told in an induced coma. Children's Healthcare of Atlanta's Scottish Rite Hospital. Apparently, the girl's symptoms started off much like the flu. Also tonight, State Representative Nikema Williams confirms she has tested positive for coronavirus. Williams says she will stay at home until her quarantine is lifted and she is symptoms free for 72 hours. Williams represents District 39. Amid the crisis, the FDA wants to reopen the Sterigenics plant in Cobb County. The plant, accused of spewing toxins into the air for decades, was closed last year. But today, Cobb County officials say they are going to allow testing on the building. The Environmental Protection Division will also analyze the results. If the plant passes those tests, then there could be a conversation about possibly reopening. Thousands of service members across the metro, they're not working. That means they're not getting a paycheck either. But one Atlanta restaurant has found a very unique way to raise money for them. Here's CBS 46's